Here I have one annotation with name custom annotation. Okay, so let's define three attributes in this annotation with name with which are string uh, of type string and int, and one is boolean. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's start to write code here. Okay, so string value, the name of the attribute is value, and okay, default, which is default value. Okay, fine. Next annotation is count of data type integer. Okay, default 1, and the last one is boolean. Default true. Right. So friends, here a string attribute with a default value of default value. Okay, and an int attribute with a default value of 1, and a boolean attribute with a default value of true. Okay, so friends, here add annotation target and retention. Okay, fine. So iterate target element 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 type method. Okay, and import the annotation target. Okay, and again use the, sorry, next annotation is retention. Okay, retention policy dot runtime. Fine, save the code and import the annotation retention. So friends, here I have imported the annotation retention. Okay, so this annotation target indicates that it can be applied only to methods. Okay, and annotation retention specifies that this should be retained at runtime, which allows us to access the annotation information using reflection API. Okay, fine. And the public interface custom annotation defines a new annotation name, custom annotation, uh, which can have elements, and in this case it has a single single element name, sorry, three elements, name of elements and attributes of type string, int, and boolean. Okay, now friends, let's move to our next class, which is annotation class. Okay, so when we use an annotation, we can provide values for its attributes. Okay, so if an attribute has a default value, it is optional to provide a value during usage. Okay, so let's provide value for this for the attributes. Okay, so before moving forward, let's add the annotation name here, which is custom annotation, which we have created earlier. Okay, fine. Now let's add the value attributes to values. Okay, so value equal to annotated method. Okay, and the count equal to 2, right? And enabled so friends, what we have done here, we have uh, defined the values for our attributes. Okay, so friends, here there is one mistake. I have added this annotation out of the class scope, so I have to add this annotation in the class scope, class body. Okay, so let's cut that. Let's paste that here. Okay, fine. Now friends, let's define one method here with name my annotated method. Okay, public void my annotated method. Okay, write the code to print the message executing annotated method. Okay, executing annotated method. Fine, save the code, and again create one more method here with name non-annotated method. Okay, so public void non-annotated method. Right, method body, print the message executing non-annotated method. Okay, so I am just copying this, executing non dash annotated method. Okay, and save the code. Okay friends, fine. Now let's move to our main class, which is annotation example. Okay, fine. And let's create the object for the class annotation class. Okay, so new annotation class constructor semicolon. Now let's come into left side, write the class name again, annotation class, and instance name in camel case annotation class. Okay, annotation class. Fine. Okay, friends. So get the class. Now let's write code to get the class. Okay. So class diamond operator question mark instance name class one. I am taking class one. Okay. Equal to object name is annotation class. Okay. And call the method get class. Fine. And semicolon. Save the code. Now friends, get the method with the custom annotation. Okay. So method annotated method equal to class one call the get method on the object class one. Okay, class one dot dot get method get method. Okay, let's pass the message here. My annotated method. My annotated method. Fine. Save the code again. Now, friends, here we have the error. So now let's import the class method by pressing Ctrl 1. Okay, and again, and here add throws. Select the no such method exception. Fine. We do not need this security exception. Okay, save the code. Now let's check if the annotation is present. Okay, so if annotated method all the is annotation present. Okay, and custom annotation dot class custom annotation dot class. Okay, fine. Now get the annotation custom annotation custom annotation camel case custom annotation. Okay, equal to annotated method all the get annotated get annotated get annotation all the method get annotation. Okay, get annotation get annotation and custom annotation dot class. Okay, custom annotation dot class. Right. Add a semicolon here and save our code. Okay. Now assess the annotation values. Let's do write code to assess the annotation values. Okay. So string value equal to custom annotation dot value, right? Int count equal to custom annotation dot count, right? Similarly for attribute boolean enabled equal to custom annotation dot enabled, right? Save the code. Now let's do write code to display the annotation values. Okay, using the system.out.println method, right? So pass the message annotation value plus value. Okay, again for root count plus count. Okay, again for boolean enabled plus enabled. Okay, fine. Save the code and complete our if else condition. Else annotation not present on the method. Pass the message annotation not present on the method. Okay, not present, annotation not present on the method. And friends, save the code and let's run our code to get the output to the console. Okay, fine. So friends, now you can see that this is our output annotation value, annotated method, count to enabled false. Okay. So friends, this is all about how to create annotation attributes in Java. Okay. So please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel Code Jiffy. Please help to grow my channel. Please add value to my videos by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding. Happy coding. Thank you once again.